Question 25. The diagram shows 4 overlapping squares which have sides 5, 7, 9 and 10. What is the difference between the total area shaded grey and the total area shaded black? Now, it doesn't look like we've got a lot of information. We could have these squares further on, less of the white, more of the white. We could mess them all around. However, the answer is not E. The answer is not E. So let me show you what it is. We've got 4 squares. They're 5, 7, 9, and 11. We need to know the areas of those shapes. So I want to do these numbers. And I also, there's certain colours. So we've got black, grey, black, and grey. That's what they are in the pictures. Sorry, focusing. 5 is black, 7 is grey, and they alternate. 5 is black, 7 is grey. What we find, if you look carefully at this picture again, there is the same amount of white in the black as there is in the grey. So we don't know what this amount is in the white, but we know it is the same. We also know that this is the same as the black and grey, and this is the same. So if I've got the grey area, I need to take away these 3 white pieces to find out how much grey there is. And with the black, I also have to take away these 3 exactly the same white pieces to be able to see how much black there is. So grey, take away the same as black. So I'm just going to write that. So the same amount of white is subtracted from the grey and the black areas. So the black is 25 plus 81. And the grey area So what I'm left with is I want the difference. It asks me for the difference. In fact, the grey area isn't this. It's the grey area subtract the white. And this is the black area subtract the white. So I haven't laid that out as well as I'd like to. So if I want now the difference, so we need the difference between grey and white. I have done this wrong. Let me just rephrase that. So the black area is this, subtract the white area. The grey area is this, subtract the white. So black equals 106, subtract the white, and grey equals 170, subtract the white. Okay, I'm happy with that now. So I want the difference between the grey and the white. No, grey and the black. Oh, grey and the black. So the grey is this. So I'm going to put it in brackets, 170 subtract W. Difference means subtract. Black is 106 subtract W. And so this will give me my answer because when I take out those brackets, that negative, that subtract, multiplied by -1, which is what we're doing when we take away that, if we're taking away, if we're subtracting a negative number, we're actually adding that number. And so if we simplify this, it becomes 64 add W, subtract W. I'll just swap those two round for convenience, which equals 64. My W's, it doesn't matter what the size of those white areas are, they cancel out, which is often what happens when we've got some unknowns in there that could be anything. In this case, they cancel out, and therefore the answer is D.